students to another day of class. Today in your math class, we're going to learn about division or the meaning of division. So today is Tuesday, September 22nd, and today we're going to work with meaning of division in our workbooks page 51. Meaning of division on page 51. First, you're going to copy the date in your notebook. Please copy the date. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. After that, copy the title. And after you finish with the title, you're going to copy this information that I have here. So, here we have the parts of the division. 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts. But the main parts are 3 parts. And they are dividend, divisor, and quotient. The first one is the number of objects that we're going to divide. The second one is the number in each group of objects. And the third one is the number of groups that we're going to divide. Copy, as I have here, the same, copy the chart and copy each one of the concepts in your notebook, please. And after that, we're going to watch a video. Okay, so we're going to learn about division.
Division. Division is such an awesome thing to be able to do. And you're going to have it all figured out. You're going to learn how to divide in this video. And we're going to start off with a story. There's this kid named Ethan, and Ethan loves carrots.
So here we have Ethan. Ethan is a boy, and Ethan loves carrots.
Loves carrots so much. He loves to snack on them. He loves when he gets to eat them. They're crunchy, they're tasty. Yeah, carrots are awesome. In fact, I'm literally eating a carrot. Well, Ethan has 2 friends over.
So Ethan has 2 friends. Ethan has 3 carrots, and Ethan has 2 friends.
For Kevin and Chloe, and they start to get hungry. Of course, they all love carrots, because carrots are like the perfect snack. Now, in Ethan's house, there are only 3 carrots. They're just 3.
So, we have 3 kids, and we have 3 carrots.
3 carrots. We are going to have to divide the 3 carrots amongst the 3 kids. So let's figure this out. How many carrots does each kid get? Do you know?
So, how many carrots is going to have each one of the kids?
Each?
Yes, each one of them is going to have 1 carrot, because if we have 3 carrots and we have 3 kids, we are going to give 1 of each one of them. 1 carrot for Ethan, 1 carrot for Yuli, and 1 carrot for Michael, or the name of the other boy.
Each kid gets 1 carrot. Pretty simple, right? 3 carrots, 3 kids.
So division is to split one number, to separate one number.
Let's look at our story again. There were 3 carrots,
so
and
we had 3
divided
carrots.
those 3 carrots by 3 because there are.
And we were dividing 3 by 3.
3 people, right? The 3 kids that love carrots. And the answer of how many carrots each kid gets is 1. 3 divided by.
And the answer was 1. Now let's come back again to the presentation. So here we have the first problem. Here we have the first problem. How many velvet worms in all do we have? So we're going to count. How many velvet worms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 velvet worms, and we're going to write 6 here. Then there is another question. How many velvet worms are in each group? We have 1 group and we have another one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 in each one of the groups. And how many many groups do we have? We have two. This one is one group and this one is the other group. So that means that 6 can be separated 2 times into 3 parts. If we separate the number 6, if we split the number 6 2 times, we're going to get 3 and 3. How can we know this? Because of the table. The 3 times table tells me that 3 times 2 is equal to 6. That's why you have to know the tables. So hope you understood. We have 2 different ways of multiplication. You can write it in this form or you can write it in this other form. After that, you're going to have your homework. You're going to complete exercise 2 and 3 from the same page. In page 51, you have 2 different exercises that are missing. So please complete them for Thursday. That was everything for today's class. See you until next time. Keep safe at home. Bye.